What's up, guys? We're back here on the Gunsmoke Jake channel. I'm Gunsmoke Jake, and today's video is going to be a mashup of a previous range day of mine. There's going to be several clips of me training, me and a few other people to sound the desert where we usually shoot and train. And I hope you guys like this type of content and the range day that we go ahead and put together for this video. And for future videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this range day.
Some targets, some grills. Oh yeah. Let's go. I know. There's already one in there.
All right, thank you.
It's crazy. Ow. What? Wow. Yeah, that's pretty rough. It's not dialed in though. No? It's kind of dialed in.
This is a different trigger.
You have STDs. Should be like the 5-pound one, but I want to change it to the performance trigger. You could literally shoot that one without ear protection.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'll do it one time without, and then
You can shoot it without ear protection. Oh yeah. They're super quiet.
yep, that is quiet.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh!
I want to snipe some shit though. Come here, baby.
Oh, it's right here. And look, somebody's right. Is this your light? Yeah.
Do you see the bottle I put?
Yeah.
I try to shoot that shit.
You gonna put it right here on the hood or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot right here. Damn, that looks sick.
Yeah, that's sick as fuck. Yeah, I know.
Where's my bottle? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, to the left. Watch out, wait back. Hold on.
No, I'm not shooting yet.
Oh.
Where's the target? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I know. I already did.
Oh, I don't need this shit. Fuck, I'm too short for this shit.
Yeah. Right there you go.
Where's my fucking reticle? Oh, I can do that. Okay, this is gonna be awkward.
Oh, there you go, dude.
Gotcha, bitch!
First shot. Yeah, he hit it. Yeah. What did you put up there?
One of the glass mugs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got on the first hit. This fucking sniper rifle. All right, let's see if I can hit this fucking cam.
Go for
I
it.
only got one round. I mean, I might have hit it. I don't know how connected it is to that shit.
Oh, you just shot straight through, huh?
Yeah. There we go.
What are you gonna shoot at right now?
I'm just gonna mag them into whatever.
Oh, okay.
Maybe the TV? I don't know. Alright. Don't fucking blow up on me. Fuck it. Wow, that is a lot of gas in my face. Holy shit.
That was cool. You hit the TV good though.
Yeah. That motherfucker's dead.
You like this one? Any to the left or the right? Back like it within a certain amount of time,
Yeah.
or the speed reload, but that one's where you just drop it and then you fill it up.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, I play Siege. I know all this shit.
What?
I play Rainbow Six Siege. I know all this shit.
Super nice.